Hello, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. My name is Lance. Today we're going to do another cook with our Vevor 24-inch tabletop griddle. We're going to make Italian green pepper and onion sausages with a sauce and poblanos from my garden actually this year. So let me get things set up here and we'll bring you right back. I'm going to put some Italian sausage on it. I just got these the other day. We tried two of them out the pack. Hot Sicilian style Italian sausage, Corandos. I'm pretty impressed by them. I like them, really enjoyed them. And we're going to get these a head start and then we're going to put our veggies on next. But for now, we're just going to let these brown up for us. Alright, while that's go ahead and cooking, I'm going to warm up some sauce in my little Lodge pot, and we're going to add a little bit, like a teaspoon of garlic to this tomato sauce. In the description of the video, you'll find a link for Vevor. If you would please, just go visit the site, click on the link that's provided in the description. It'll help the channel out. I don't get money from them. I earn points so that you know, when I want to do another review or accumulate enough points, I can do another review for y'all on another product that you may have interest in. I have one more review coming up yet, and that's for sandwich press from Vevor. But I like to get a pizza oven. That's my goal. My main goal is to get a pizza oven. So please take just a few minutes, couple minutes, press the link in the description for Vevor and or Porter Road, preferably Vevor right now, because I'm pushing their product. And they believed in me to allow me to do two reviews on two of their manufactured items, so I want to show them some respect. Please check it out. We'll continue with the video now. All right, we got that. Go ahead and get our onions on here. Our yellow bell pepper and our poblanos that we grew. A little more oil on that. So over here to the right is my poolside SPG Habanero. Respect this stuff because it's got some heat to it. Alright, coming along rather fast. This is a fast cooking griddle. I'm not complaining. Actually, I have this side turned off right now just to slow the veggies down. Topped off a little bit more of Drunken Chefs SPG Habanero SPG, I'm sorry. I'll probably turn that burner back on here a little bit. I just want these, I want to slow it down just a little bit. Give these sausages time to brown up real good. We'll bring you back. All right, let me get a little bit of that cheating butter on these veggies. We moved our links over to the cool side. Also, I moved our sauce over to the cool side. Man, the smells out of this world. Alright, we're going to get our poblano, yellow pepper, and onion over to the cool side also. Sausages are still actually cooking over here. You just barely hear them sizzling a little bit. So that's a good thing. Let's get our rolls ready. Alright, we got Mrs. Sleeper fed. Now it's our turn. Get some of our cheap butter on this roll. So it was just way too hot for her to even eat, so I don't quite know what she thinks of it just yet, but if smells could talk. It's a home run. We're going to let these brown up. And we'll bring you back. Alright, so our rolls are nicely browned. Let's build us a sandwich. Ladies first in my household, so we're going to put some of that poblano, yellow pepper, and onion, seasoned with Drunken Chefs SPG Habanero. Love grilled onions and green peppers. Absolutely love them. This is a farm sliced mozzarella. We do have this burner turned off right now. There's plenty of heat left in this thing. And we're going to bring these together a little bit if we can. Top it off with a little bit of a garlic oregano, tomato sauce, let's get the lid over them, let that cheese melt, and we'll bring you back. Alright, I ain't gonna lie, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Excellent. I mean excellent. Glad I put the sauce on there. Add some more flavor. Loving the poblano. Man, this is some kind of good. Alright, well there y'all have it. Now for all the big old mess to clean up. The griddle, the Vevor griddle, it didn't fail me. It cooks great. I really think that you only need one of these burners on. If you're doing something, I guess the word I'll use is delicate, like the onions, the green peppers, and all that. They'll cook with just the heat that's transferred through the plate from one burner over to the other side. But this Vevor 24-inch tabletop, I think, is going to be definitely a staple around here. I enjoyed it very much, loving it. Got a little bit more seasoning on it. If you notice, when I was flipping those, the green peppers and the poblano and onions and all there, nothing was sticking. It just did an excellent job. I keep looking down at it, I'm sorry, but I got to clean everything up now. It's time for dessert, cookies and hot coffee. I eat that just about every night as long as there's cookies around here. So thank you all for watching. My name is Lance, Sleeper Barbecue. We hope to see you in the next one.